Hello, good afternoon traders. How are you doing? This is the Banknifty's weekly chart analysis video. This week Banknifty went up and closed with 720 points gain, which is a 1.6% rally. In the prior week we closed with a 268 point gain, and the previous week, a week before, we closed with a 374 point gain. So it's continuous third week of rise for Banknifty. Before that we had a 4 weeks of decline. Let me put a marker here. So we had a 4 weeks of continuous decline. We kind of showed some support here, and then week starting August 21st, we went up and touched the high of 45,960. 44,960, and then came down and closed at around the same level. We created an inverted hammer candle pattern in the week before last week, and then the previous week we consolidated within the range of the previous week's candle. So the inverted hammer candle kind of showed a first positive sign of the continuous decline that we were having. So it was a make or break candle for us, that if we gone down and closed below that candle maybe last week or this week, it would have shown a further decline and shown a further selling pressure into Banknifty. However, that did not happen. We ended up and closed above the inverted hammer candle high price. So with 760 points gain that I mentioned, we created a very nice bullish candle here with a long wick below and then a minor upper wick. However, for the coming week, this particular zone that we touched a high of is going to work like a resistance zone for us. And why am I saying that? Normally every trader or every YouTuber that you see on YouTube, or every expert financial advisor, they would suggest that we are in a bullish moment. Yes, we are. That is for sure. And we will continue to see rise. But why we might see some resistance here is because of this region. Let me just move to the daily chart and it will be clear. So if I go to the daily chart, I'll put a day chart here. So if I zoom out, you see a long time that Banknifty spent here. So it is almost 2 weeks that we spent here, right? And then we saw the rise, then we consolidated here and then fell down. By the way, we also made it some 2 or 3 days time here. So this zone becomes very important for us, this particular zone, right? Even on Friday's trade, we went up and touched the high of 350 or something, and then came down and closed around 45,156. So for the coming week, this particular zone will work like a resistance and consolidation area. This can also work like a trap zone. So maybe we consolidate here and then get down and test the highs from which we break out, the support area. So this is the candle that we broke out from, right? So let me just move back to the weekly chart. Hang on. Okay, so we are back into the weekly chart candle. Let me just put a marker. So here, this is the point that we broke. This was an inverted hammer high we broke out from, right? So Banknifty if it continues to get resistance here, it can trade within this range from 350, 400 range to 45,000 range. It can come down, test this, then go up, then test this, or it can maybe spend some time here around 45,300, 45,400 levels, and then give a breakdown here, test 45,000 levels, and then rise up. So if this happens, it can trap traders. So we for the coming week, till the time we don't break out of this range, please do not take some aggressive long positions, right? Or if you take a long position, take a stop loss of this level here, right? We might see some consolidation here in this range, and then once we test this, and then cross this area, then we can see Bank Nifty going and touching highs of all the way to 46,000 first and 46,33. That was the previous life high, right? That is one thing that Bank Nifty do. On the other hand, if you can trade here and then give a breakdown, though as I said, it's a positive momentum built, a lot of time Bank Nifty spent in correction, so I don't see a reason for the fall. But in case it falls from this level, then the first level we can see is 44,666. It is going to be a very important level, 44,666. If you breaks that, then 44,333 or 222 levels for the next week, right? But again, coming back to the bullish momentum here, it should see some consolidation in this area, and once it crosses, the next will be 45,888, 46,122 level, and 46,000 area, 46,100 area can work like a small resistance, and then the next resistance would be the life high. Alright friends, that's about it for Bank Nifty. If you like my video, please hit the like button. If you can click on the subscribe button, you can subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you can continue to get notification for my videos going forward. Thanks so much, and please feel free to share your videos with your trader friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.